Come on, but be quiet.
Super, fly, sis, fly.
Super, Mutlu!
Mutlu? What happened to you?
Why are you so out of breath, Mutlu?
Following, Mutlu Super, fly, rescuing, fly.
You've exhausted yourself. Why don't I take you to the resting balloon, Mutlu?
What? Hold on, what's this resting balloon?
Of course! We use it every time we exhaust ourselves. All of your tiredness goes away when you're in it.
Neşe,
Oh, wow.
It's beautiful. This is perfect. I want one as well. How cool is this? It's wonderful. Can't you feel it?
They come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside.